Operation Opera, also known as Operation Babylon, was a surprise airstrike conducted by the Israeli Air Force on 7 June 1981, which destroyed an unfinished Iraqi nuclear reactor located 17 kilometers southeast of Baghdad, Iraq. The Israeli operation came after Iran's partially successful Operation Scorch Sword had caused minor damage to the same nuclear facility a year prior, with the damage having been subsequently repaired by French technicians. Operation Opera and related Israeli government statements following it established the Begin Doctrine, which explicitly stated the strike was not an anomaly but instead a precedent for every future government in Israel. Israel's counter-proliferation preventive strike added another dimension to its existing policy of deliberate ambiguity as it related to the nuclear weapons capability of other states in the region. In 1976, Iraq purchased an Osiris-class nuclear reactor from France. While Iraq and France maintained that the reactor, named Osirak by the French, was intended for peaceful scientific research, the Israelis viewed the reactor with suspicion, believing it was designed to make nuclear weapons that could escalate the ongoing Arab-Israeli conflict. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.